Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both routers and placing the netlink close to the main router. Once powered, connect a laptop to the netlink by Ethernet or its Wi-Fi, then log in using the default admin credentials. Make sure to check the netlink firmware and note its LAN IP. This prevents addressing conflicts. Next, switch to the setup or repeater mode option in the interface. This is the first actionable step that prepares the netlink to extend the main network. Once in repeater mode, scan for the main router's SSID and select it to link. Then assign the netlink a static LAN IP on the main subnet to avoid conflicts. For example, if your main router is 192.168.1, pick 192.168.1.2 and turn off DHCP on the netlink. Make sure the Wi-Fi security matches. Use WPA2 and the same passphrase. You're almost done. Place the netlink where it gets a strong, but not perfect, signal from the main router. About 50 to 70% is ideal. Once positioned, reconnect your phones and laptops to the extended SSID and test speeds and roaming. Make sure devices switch smoothly. If connections fail, reboot both routers, confirm the netlink's static IP and that DHCP is disabled, and update firmware. These troubleshooting steps resolve most issues and get your extender working reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.